Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by putting your JLab headphones into pairing mode so the app can find them. First, power the headphones on and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes. This signals discoverable mode. Next, open the app and make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. When prompted, allow Bluetooth, location, and audio permissions because the app uses them to scan and route sound. Once done, keep your headphones within a few feet of the device to avoid timeouts. Now use the app's built-in device scan to locate your JLab headset. Select the exact model listed. When you tap it, the system may show a pairing PIN or a confirmation dialog. Accept or enter the PIN shown. The app might also prompt to install a firmware update. Do this if offered, because updates fix connectivity bugs. Make sure no other device is actively connected to the headphones. Keep them near your phone and wait for the app to confirm the successful connection before moving on. Finish by testing audio and microphone directly inside the app. Play a clip and speak into the mic to confirm both directions. If the system allows, set the JLab headset as the default audio output and tweak EQ or button mappings. If the app requests a final firmware install, accept it. This prevents intermittent drops. If things go wrong, here's the key tip. Reboot your phone and headphones, forget the JLab entry in Bluetooth settings, then rerun pairing from the app. This clears stale connections and usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.